We'll see the next question. So this is the latest trend of questions which are asked in this mains exam. Here we have a question which was asked in IBPS PO mains 2016. Two quantities will be given. So we have to solve for this quantity 1, quantity 2 and see which is greater. Is quantity 1 lesser or greater or equal to quantity 2? So before us we have a question with circles and triangles and quantity 1 and 2 is given. We have to solve for quantity 1 for this question. So here the question is, we have a circle and in this circle is inscribed a triangle and angles are given. And we have a triangle which lies outside the circle also, and x value is here. Finding this x value is quantity 1. Quantity 2 is given as this one, 55 degrees. So we have to see if this x is lesser to 55 or more than 55 or equal to 55. Now we'll see the working. So there is a circle whose center is O. So there is an inscribed triangle in this circle. Angle of this triangle, one vertex is given as 55 degrees. So to find this angle, the angle which is in the circumference and will be half of the angle which is formed in the center. So if this is 55, angle will be double of this 55, which is 110. Starting from these two same points, the angle formed in the circumference will be half of the angle formed in the center. If this is 55, the angle formed in the center by the triangle starting from the same point will be double. So if this is 55, this is 110. And for a triangle, when you add all the angles, it is 180 degree. So these are radius of this circles. Same side will subtend same angle. These two angles will be same. I'll take this as y. If this is 110 and adding this y plus 110 should give you 180 degree, or 2y plus 110 is equal to 180 degree. So when you subtract 110 from 180, remaining is 70. 2y is 70, so this y value is 35. You can see a right angle given. So a square, and this smaller square implies that here it is a right angle, or radius and the tangent will be perpendicular. Here they have given 90 degree. If y is 35, this portion will be 90 minus 35, which is 55. So this is 55 and the other angle given is 75, and we need to find this x. Again we have a triangle where sum of these angles is 180. So adding this 55 and 75 will get 130. Now what should be this value of x? Subtract 130 from 180. So x is, which is 50. So x is quantity 1, which we have got as 50 degree. And what is quantity 2? That is this value, 55 degrees. So quantity 1, 50 is lesser than quantity 2, 55 degrees. I'll explain this process again. So angle, the triangle formed from two same points, angle subtended in the circumference will be half of the angle formed in the center. If this is 55, this angle will be 110. And to find these two angles, radius will be of same length, angles also will be same. So 110 plus 2y is 180. So where we get 2y is 180 minus 110, 70, y is 35. Here y is 35. And this is a right angle triangle, which means angle is 90. To get this portion, 90 minus 35, this is 55. Adding 55 and 75, we get 130. to find x, subtract 130 from 180, x is 150. X is quantity 1, 50 degree, and 55 is quantity 2. So quantity 1 is less than quantity 2. Answer is option B, quantity 1 is less than quantity 2. So this is the latest trend of questions which is asked. Don't get panic. So it is very simple. We can work out for this and check which is greater, where quantity 1 is greater or smaller. So we'll see the next question. So here we have another question like given as quantity 1, quantity 2. Quantity 1 is B, quantity 2 is D. We have to find is B lesser or greater or equal to D. For that we have been given a set of equations. So we have x power a the whole power c equal to x equal to c, all such working. This seems to be very complicated, but knowing the concepts of exponents, easily we can solve. So this is very simple also. Now we'll see the working. So this question was adapted from this IBPS PO Mains 2016. So recent exams, this pattern of questions is asked, and this question was asked for PO Mains, IBPS PO Mains. So with this given detail, x power a the whole power c is equal to x power c. And cancelling the common powers, x power a equal to x power 1. So what does this implies? Base same, we can equate the powers, a equal to 1. So from the first equation we have got a value as 1. And what is the second equation? X power 2b by x power a. So whenever you are dividing the two values where base is same, we can subtract the powers, 2b minus a. X power 2b by x power a, subtract the powers, which is equal to x power 5a, and product of values where base is same. So we can add the powers, 5a plus b plus b. As base is same, we can equate the powers. And what is a value we have got? 1. So 2b minus 1 equal to 5 into 1, which is 5, plus d plus b. And bringing b here, 2b minus b, send this minus 1 there, it will become plus 1, 6 plus d, where b equal to 6 plus d. So what does this expression imply? When you add 6 with d, only then we will get b, which implies b is greater than d. b is quantity 1 and d is quantity 2. So we get quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Option is A, where quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. So after solving this, we have got b equal to 6 plus d. So b is greater than d. Adding 6 we get b, which means that, which implies that 6 is greater than d. So don't get panic seeing this pattern of question. So just we have same base using the concepts of exponents. In product we can add the powers, in quotient we can subtracting the powers, and solving this to arrive at the answer.